Servus!
Sun's out, fun's out. We're here at alphacam. I'm so excited because we're gonna see where the body kit is made. This is gonna be a lot wider. This is gonna be a lot wider, a lot more exciting. So many beautiful things, and I think Marcel is over there. We're gonna go say hello and then see what is done here at alphacam. I just drop a small hint. Might have something to do with 3D printing. Oh, we got a problem. So let's meet Marcel. What's up, Marcel?
Ciao, how you been? Very good. You?
Excited, very excited to see all the magic going on back here in the showroom, but even more than that, let's see the production and the real parts.
Yeah.
Let's
go.
I've been waiting for this for quite a while. Oh. What do I see here? What do I see here? You guys can probably not see, but yeah, this part has been printed in here. I wanted, how long did it take for this part to print? 35 hours. 35 hours of printing, that's quite impressive. This is part two. Yeah, so we have two different, oh look at this. This is like a printer cartridge. You just open this one up, take it out, or it has to cool down first. If it's finished, all the process is done with this. Yeah. You can pretty much open it up. Could I?
Should be.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure?
Right. But now you're standing in front of a 90-degree oven.
I'm used to that. It's pretty much the same in a race car.
Yeah.
I'm in there pretty much.
What is the white stuff? That's the support material.
The white stuff is the support material. This is so cool. So we can actually, if everything goes well, we're taking this part to the workshop. Let's go. So this is for precision pretty much, because you're gonna get some vibration in the printing process, and those support structures eliminate the vibration and the movement, so you get a very, very precise part. Awesome. Yes. 300 grams, maybe? 400, if even? No. This needs to go on the cars right now. Awesome. Look at all the mounting stuff is in there already at the place where it needs to be.
It's a puzzle.
It is a puzzle, yeah. This part
That's going
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where the light's gonna go. Can you guys imagine? I can. It's gonna be sick.
Okay.
So this is the rear fender, I would say, part of it.
Yeah.
So guys, yes, it's gonna be a wide ass car. Alright, I think it's time to wrap that up. Thanks so much, the two of you, for helping with all of this, showing us around, showing us how it works, what it takes to make something like this, to make this idea happen. And we're gonna visit you guys again soon, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Thanks so much. You're welcome.
Thanks. Yep. Alles was hier läuft.
Linke Seite. Alles andere liegt, ne? Oh yeah! I want this so bad on the car. Look at this. And the car is already white. Look at this. Look at this. Amazing parts, 4 amazing cars. And we're amazingly quick. Gonna go back to the workshop now. To the race cars. Let's go. Goodies. Goodies.
Oh, great stuff.
I already test fitted it on the baby.
Ah, und?
Perfect.
Looks good.
It's awesome.
Ah.
It's awesome. I'll try the mounting.
There it is.
Look at that.
Yes. It's getting there.
Can't believe it.
So the first body kit parts arrived and Tony already fitted them to the car. We had to sand them down a bit to get them smoother, and we also smoothed them even further with some acetone. This surface is really smooth and the wrap also has a good adhesion. We will wrap the entire cars and it also has to stay on there. It doesn't help us if it flies off at the first event. So to make the sketches of our body kit reality, we had to be really creative, and also the time was very short, and we are super happy that we teamed up with alphacam. They are specialists in 3D printing, let's call it this way, and they actually printed all the body kit parts in 3D. So this was the only way how we could get these crazy sketches into reality on the car. And yeah, I still can't believe it, how much of a difference that makes.